Collagen benefits for health. Nature's miracle protein. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been all the rage lately: collagen benefits for health. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on my latest videos. Now let's get right into it. First things first, what is collagen? Well, it's a protein that's abundant in our bodies, acting as a glue that holds everything together. From our skin, bones, tendons, to even our muscles. As we age, our collagen production starts to decline. This leads to those pesky wrinkles and creaky joint pains. But fear not, because there are some fantastic benefits to replenishing collagen in your body. If you're like me and want to maintain that youthful glow, collagen is your best friend. Collagen supplements can help improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and even promote that radiant look that's so attractive. Say hello to smoother, healthier, and younger-looking skin. But that's not all. Do you ever experience those annoying creaky joints and bothersome achy knees? Well, collagen might just be the secret remedy to get you back on track. Collagen supplements help support joint health by maintaining the integrity of your cartilage. This reduces joint discomfort and even increases flexibility. Get ready to move and groove without any worries. Now, here's something fascinating. Collagen can benefit your gut health too. Collagen helps repair the digestive lining. This can be especially helpful if you're dealing with digestive issues or leaky gut syndrome. Plus, it promotes a healthier balance of good bacteria in your body. This makes it a true win for your digestive system. But there's more. We can't forget about those luscious locks and strong nails. Collagen is known to fortify hair and strengthen brittle nails. This makes them less prone to breakage and brittleness. It'll be time to flaunt those beautiful hairdos and show off those strong, healthy nails. Next, as we age, having healthy bones becomes really important. Good news. Collagen plays a powerful part here too. It's a main building block of bone structure. It can also aid in maintaining good bone density. This reduces the risk of fractures and promotes overall bone health. Doesn't keeping strong bones into old age sound pretty good to you? And there you have it, my friends. Collagen has so many marvelous benefits for your health. From skin and joint health to digestion and bone strength, this superstar protein has it all. Check out the link in the description for my top collagen recommendation. It may just be the best collagen supplement ever. Let me know in the comments if you've tried collagen supplements and how they've benefited you. Until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Please like and subscribe, and check out the collagen resources in the description.